guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. With Thanksgiving right around the corner, today's video I'll be making for you guys candied yams. So if you want to see this video or this recipe, please stick around and watch this video. My ingredients for the yams are: I have 3 medium size sweet potato, I got 4 sticks of butter, I got 1 tablespoon of ground ginger, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, no imitation, and we got 1 cup of white sugar, and we got 1/4 cup of brown sugar, we got 1 tablespoon of nutmeg, and we got some cinnamon. First, I'm gonna start by cutting my sweet potatoes. And you want to cut this thin as possible, about an inch. The thinner the slices, the better, the shorter it takes to cook. So you just want to cut into this. And you want to have a sharp knife because these can be very difficult to cut. So you want to cut these up like so. Or you can cut them on the board. We're just gonna continue cutting these size until everything is cut up. Until we finish cutting everything. So we're just cutting up our yams. So now that we're finished cutting up our yams, we're gonna preheat the oven on 350 degrees. Nice and chopped up. Now I'm just gonna layer the yams into the baking dish, just like this. Now I'm just gonna add some sugar on top of the layer. I'm just gonna add some brown sugar, some white sugar first. It doesn't matter which order you give brown sugar first. I'm gonna add some of the brown sugar. And you can't have candied yams without sugar. Okay? So don't say, oh, that's too much sugar. I'm gonna add some nutmeg. I'm just adding a pinch of the nutmeg. I'm gonna add the ground ginger. And I'm also gonna add some cinnamon powder onto the first layer. I'm gonna add the next layer. Oh my god, the cinnamon is popping. Cinnamon is popping. And you just want to lay these out until you have everything in the plate or the dish, the baking pan, whatever you guys using. And now I'm just gonna add the remaining sugar on top. And I'm just gonna add all the brown sugar. I'm gonna add the ginger, the nutmeg, and this is freshly grated nutmeg. If you don't got freshly grated, that's okay, but the freshly grated nutmeg is absolutely the best. And now I'm just gonna add the vanilla. Ooh, nice and soft. Just gonna add the cinnamon too on top. It's gonna give it a nice flavor. I'm gonna add the butter, and I'm just gonna cut these into little nubs or cubes. I'm just gonna add the butter like this. Gonna add cubes of butter on top. And I'm just gonna add a pinch of salt, nothing too much, so all the sugar can balance out. Okay, I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of water. And now I'm just gonna cover up this with a foil. And I'm gonna let it vent. I'm not gonna cover it fully. Just gonna leave it halfway, just like this. And now I'm just gonna put it in the oven to bake. There you have it, guys. 45 minutes to 55 minutes into the oven, and there you have it, our candied yams. Oh my god, this is smelling so delicious, guys. And you'll know when they're baked because they're gonna be so tender to touch. And look, you see the fork just insert right into the center like this. And these are my beautiful candied yams. I'm just gonna taste into it, guys. If you this is just the way I like mine. Nice and beautiful. If you already reached this far into the video, guys, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up, like this video, and share. Also leave me a comment down below. Bye guys, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Look at this. Oh my goodness.